Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So previously I already installed the push start button. You can refer back to my previous video. So this one, push start button, is using the RFID, something like this, to start. So I just want to upgrade this all push start button, start engine. So what I'm doing is right now is I want to install the new version for the push start button. Inside this box is as you can see, they give me manual to remote control the module box, something like this. The two antennas, okay, they give me two antennas, and then the wire, this one I don't know, I'm not sure what's this. The wiring harness, I already put the label on it, yes. And then this one also for the key, and then this one is the push start button. For this version, what's the difference is, the old version is only have the push start button, the module box, and also the RFID, but the new version they have remote start. You can do remote start, car key remote. So let's start. So this one is white, black attached, white, black and yellow attached to the double signal on top. And then the blue one, siren out, is going to the siren, but it's negative. Okay. Red, black, this one I attach for the door input. Attach over here. And next thing is white color, white wire going to brake, the brake for here. This one going to the handbrake. Green color wire handbrake. The only thing I didn't attach is this one, throw out, negative. Black wire for the black oil input I attached to the white one, key on one. Okay guys, so here's the very difficult part, that is lock out and unlock out. This one is from the module. From here, it supply the negative voltage to the door lock motor. So the problem is my car, the motor is triggered by positive negative only, so I have to convert it to positive and negative. I'm using the relay. The relay is over here guys. I made it by myself. The relay, I'm using two relays, 12 volt DC. The supply is I'm taking from the all alarm, positive and negative. And then the cable from the module is brown and yellow black. Brown and yellow black. This one is difficult. So how do I construct the relay? Is something like this. This is very simple. This is the relay numbers series WL78S112, the relay code. Okay, so basically this relay is have 5 point, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I set up it in two relays like this. So positive voltage is going to number 1, number 5, number 1 and number 5. This one is cancelled. This one is also cancelled. So negative part I set it on the number 4. Number 4. The input from the brown and also the black yellow, I set it on point number 2 and number 2. So this one is input from the module, when you press the remote, it will respond to this relay, and then the output is 3 and 3 going to the motor. Positive negative is either positive negative or negative positive trigger or lock. This one at over here. Is it, guys? So for detail for this relay, you can check out, just Google it, WL78S112 relay, 12 volt VDC. So let's recap back all this connection. Red 12 volt, brown key on to black, ground blue SEC, white key on 1. So everything is over. Just tap it from over here. Okay, all 1 2 3 4 5 6 cable. You need to use is a multimeter. Find all 1 2 3 4 5, and then going to here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Because 6 numbers. The green handbrake input is taking the negative input from the body, from the handbrake. Green color wire over here. I just make an extension for this wire. Okay, green color wire, and then directly straight going to my handbrake. Pink black, actually it's not pink black, it's a red black. Red black cable is this one, red and black, going to the door. I have to find it somewhere inside here, and then it's connected to my first over here. This is the door input. The door input is negative voltage, so it will take negative voltage going inside the module. Siren blue wire. The blue wire. Wait, this is the blue wire. This one is I connect it to directly to the existing siren. Just that the problem is this output is not positive. It's a negative voltage. So I have to switch the wire, which means previously this one is a positive, then I have to switch it to the negative, and then the positive position at the siren I have to connect it to directly to the battery. White foot brake input. The white cable is here, and then I make an extension going to directly the brake. So when you press the brake, the positive voltage will flow and then going to the module. Black, the black oil box input, I connect it directly to the key on 1. Orange black crank out, I didn't connect it. Okay, this one white and black lamp out, yellow lamp out, I just directly connected to my hazard signal. Then lockout done, and that's it, guys. It's very easy. Finally I finish all the wiring, and I have to clear all these things up first and then assemble back. Alright, final video. To unlock, press this one, lock. Okay, how to do the remote start. First you need to pull the handbrake or e-brake, and then press and hold. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for any upcoming videos. Alright, thank you, goodbye.